In this presentation, I want to show you how to use your PowerPoints and get them ready to take notes on when you uh, view your lectures. Remember, you have a set of DVDs in which there is a lecture for each one of the modules, and you'll take notes on that. There's another set of DVDs that's going to lead you through your laboratory assignments, okay? So we're talking about now how to go about taking your notes, okay? So um, I usually put this up as kind of an introductory slide just to remind you how you can get a hold of me. But we're talking about going to the PowerPoints part of the D2L webpage. And so remember, you can access it like the others. You can access it either by going straight to the content, or you can click down here and access the same information. Assuming that you've clicked content and you've punched the PowerPoint presentation buttons, then you're going to see all the PowerPoint presentations. Now, there's a little file in here that kind of tells you how to print these things out, but I'm going to tell you the same information now. If you forget, you can go back and look at this. But what you to do is you decide which one of the presentations that you want to print out. And remember, they're in black and white and color. The extension there shows you which one you want. I don't know why you want to print them in color. They do look nicer, okay? But you basically want the information. So I would recommend that you print them in black and white, save on your printer cartridge. It's sort of up to you, okay? So once you've decided which one you want and you've clicked on it, okay, I'm gonna look at measurement black and white, okay? You've clicked on that, then you'll actually see the presentation in D2L format. This is not PowerPoint here, but it can be saved as a PowerPoint presentation. Now, don't click on this download button right here. It doesn't work. I don't know why. Click on this download button right here. And if you click on that, then you'll see at the bottom the statement that asks you what you want to do with this. And I would recommend that if you click Save As, you can choose the name that you want to save it under. That may be the same, but you can choose a location you want to put it. And when you put that PowerPoint in a certain location later on, when you're ready to print it out, you can go to that presentation, display it, and print it out, okay? Now, this is how you do it in D2L, okay? If you want to go to our web page, that most of you will at least sign a contract, said you kind of visited this and got an idea what the course is about, okay? And you have to go to the web page, and then you click PowerPoint presentations here, okay? And when you do, you'll come to this display, which shows the name of the module, the name of the presentation, okay? And they'll be in color and black and white, same as before. If you click here, I've clicked on color just to show you what it looks like. And when you do that, you'll get this statement again at the bottom. What do you want to do with this? Okay. And I'll recommend save as, put it in some location so you can access it later. So you have these two methods. Doesn't matter which one you use. Most likely, you're going to start printing out a series of these. This seems to be easier to access, okay? Because as soon as you save one, you can go up here. You don't have to go jumping around through D2L, but it's up to you, whatever you prefer, okay? Then once you've saved that, then in whichever location that you save this on your computer, you can go to that PowerPoint presentation. And there's the one that I did for measurement, the black and white measurement. This is a standard PowerPoint view. And then what you'll want to do is print it out, okay? So if you pull down the file menu and say print, you're going to see this page right here in which I've said print all the slides. And I want 3 slides to a page. And I'll tell you why. In this version right here, you've got these places out here to put your information that you're going to write down in addition to what's on this display right here. You'll want to put your notes in here. And it's a lot easier for me to grade. Now, if you want to print 6 to a page, that's okay, but you're going to have very fine print around the edges of the slides if that's how you want to put the information in. And I will accept those people's notes who decide, okay, I'm going to put the PowerPoint slides in there, but I'm going to put 6 to a page to cut down on the amount of printing because I'm going to take my notes in the conventional manner of on a sheet of paper, and then you'll put those in the notebook right behind the PowerPoints. So you can do the traditional taking notes, okay? Now, just a note about this, I look at the quality of those notes and the amount of information, and then I assess how much credit I'm going to deduct because you didn't do a good job on this. So your main job on the PowerPoints is to convince me you did a good job of watching the video. Okay? Well, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down so I don't exceed the time limit on YouTube, and I'll get this out to you pretty quick.